to the salted egg. So just a quick trivia. Southern Thailand is also known for making very good salted eggs. Of course, we're gonna remove our slippers.
They have a duck farm here.
Duck farm?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh,
These are the eggs. Salted eggs.
Salted egg next to on the back.
Cute, colored. So these eggs with the colors are the not salted egg. It's like century eggs. So now we are entering the factory area. Hi, Dad. These are the eggs. So I think the first procedure is this one. They will put the eggs with clay soil. And the second step is they will put this soil with salt, and this is the finished product. So that is how they make salted egg. It's different from Philippine. So this is the price, and then per box. So if you're gonna buy it, you will see the dates here. It says March 6. If you want to fry it, salted egg but fried. And if you want to boil, it can be boiled on March 12. So that's how they do it. So that's our pasyal for today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the bell button. And if you want to share it. Go ahead. Thank you. And now we're going to buy something, honey or the salted eggs. And for the total expenses, we only spent around 200 plus, or let's say 300 baht. It's very cheap.